everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nastazsa. If you're new here, I'd love it if you would subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram if you haven't done so as well. As always, the links to everything will be in the description box down below. Without further ado, we can just jump right into it.
All right, this first console is a little bit on the pricier side, but still I think worth the money because it looks very similar to the console that I have, and you guys always ask questions about it. My console was a pretty penny. This one actually comes in under $1,000. It's 900 bucks, which I do think is a really great price for the detailing on the wood on this. It's really hard to find these like carved wood consoles for anything under $1,000. I believe they even raised the price of the one that I got, so I think it's closer to $2,000 now. So if you're in the market for a console that you know you're gonna keep for a while, this $900 option is actually a really good deal in my opinion for something of this style. So just something to keep in mind when you are looking for furniture. The next item actually comes in at $124. So this is definitely like a really affordable option for a TV console. Now I think it would be great to get two of these, put them side by side. That's kind of like the more affordable way to create a console. So you could get two of these, and two of these would actually come in at a little under $250, which is honestly such a steal. And you could put some really awesome like decor pieces in the actual display area, or you could even like redo the display area and like put some cane there or a different type of fabric. If you wanted to do that too, you could do like a fun little DIY because these are such an affordable option. So definitely something to look into if you want just like a really affordable console option. Now it's actually gotten so popular to just put two of these smaller cabinets side by side that this company is actually selling them together. So I think you can actually get the set of two of these together for around $300. Again, such a nice affordable option. I love that these look kind of retro with the shape that they chose, and I love like the cane detailing on them. Again, another really great, awesome choice. And as you can see, you get a lot of storage with these, which I absolutely love. And then if you wanted to put the cords for any like media equipment that you may have, you can just drill like a tiny little hole in the back and totally turn these into an actual like media console stand. But you can also get one of these for around 100 bucks. So you can either buy the set of two, or if you just want it for an entryway cabinet, you can totally buy one as well. This next sideboard comes in at a little under $200. So again, a really nice affordable piece of furniture. This is definitely more of like a modern, more sophisticated look. I love this for an entryway cabinet, but again, stacking two of these side by side, they would look really good together, and you could have that really nice, expensive looking console for less. I love that this has just become a thing because it's a really great way, as I mentioned earlier, to just have that really nice console but not break the bank. Again, pieces like this, you're getting a really nice amount of storage. You're almost getting a little bit more storage than you would with your typical console, just because these are a little bit taller than the average console that you would be getting for like a media TV. And then this next cabinet comes in at around $230. Again, this one definitely reminded me of like a more West Elm, just like nice, streamlined, very mid-century modern piece. It's got that wood and the nice detailing on the handles. I really like them. I think that that's what makes this piece actually look so expensive, even though it's very budget friendly. So this is another really great cabinet to have. If you have a smaller TV, you could always just get one of these, but I do recommend having like the two side by side. But also these make really great entryway cabinets to your place as well. They don't necessarily have to be used as consoles. I'm just giving you guys both options here on what to use. So this one is great. As you can see, the handles just look like so seamless next to each other. So I love that. Next, I'm showing you guys this again. This is the Crosley piece, a little bit around $300. I love this. I'm actually getting this. I mentioned to you guys, once I sell the cabinet that I already have, I'm replacing it with this just because this looks so similar to what I bought, but I bought one from Pottery Barn for way more money. So I'd rather just have my money back and have something a little bit more affordable like this. So funny. A lot of you guys were asking what happens to like my furniture or where do I put all these things. I actually am constantly like selling and getting rid of things. So I have like nothing, like a very minimal aesthetic in my place. Actually, it's kind of funny. I don't have as much stuff as you guys would think because it constantly gets switched out or sold. So as I mentioned, once I sell my last one, I'm definitely getting this one just because it's so nice and it's just very minimal, very much so my style. And again, I'll be able to save a little bit of money. This next storage cabinet is a little over $200. I think it's like 210 bucks. I love this. I didn't realize how like good of a quality piece this was until I started like looking at it more. And it actually has a lot of glass pieces on it, which again, make it a lot easier to clean and just make it look a lot more expensive. I love these. I think 2 of these side by side would literally look so cool because it has that keyhole detailing on them. So I definitely actually think that I might be picking these up for a project that I'm working on that I seriously cannot wait to share with you guys like what's gonna be happening within the next few months. Like it's gonna be really cool and you guys are gonna get some awesome makeover content. So this is definitely on my wish list for that project because I think that this kind of like goes with the mid-century modern vibe and also very, very budget friendly, which is perfect for what I'm doing. All right, so this next piece comes in around $500. Now I'm just showing this to you guys because I do really like it and I think it's a great option. $500 is still a good deal for a console, but you see the price difference here. If we go for something that is meant to be a console, it's gonna cost you a lot more money. So if this is something that you need to spend money on, definitely check out the other options before that are just like 2 cabinets put together. If you're on a budget and you wanna save money in this particular area, that would be a better option for you. I personally love this one though. Again, 500 bucks is not bad for a console. Consoles tend to be like really, really expensive. So that's just something to keep in mind, but this one looks very high quality and very sturdy. So you're getting a really good quality piece for the price. Again, this definitely looks like it came from like a more expensive store. Definitely looks like it came from like West Elm or a Pottery Barn. So if you're just looking for a nice media console that doesn't completely break the bank, I definitely think that this is a really great option. And I love the deep like dark wood and I love the legs on this piece as well. This console table is actually around 600 bucks and this is seriously so similar to the one that they have at Anthropologie. And I actually learned that the one that's at Anthropologie is just made by just a random furniture manufacturer because if you guys don't remember, I got the matching like nightstands that look like this console from Anthropologie, and when they came in the mail, they came in this just like random like furniture company that I've never heard of. They're honestly like a newer furniture company. So you're not getting anything like super high quality or super designer. So in that aspect, I think these are all seriously the exact same quality piece. And this one on Anthropologie sells for double. You could literally buy 2 of these consoles for the price that it is on Anthropologie. And they don't have many of these left right now. So if you are considering them, I would definitely pick one up right now because I do think that that is a really, really great price point. This next piece comes in at $279, which if you guys remember, I did an IKEA hack very similar to this not that long ago where I added the wood handles. And honestly, the price of things is getting so expensive. It's actually cheaper to just buy this pre-made. IKEA actually went through and raised a ton of their prices. I guess that's why a lot of you guys have been asking why I don't do DIYs that much anymore. It's because you're honestly not saving money. So if you like truly want to like make something because you want it to be unique and different, great. But if you're doing it for an aspect to like save money, you're actually not, because like I said, this is only $279 and to get this piece at IKEA plain is way more than that now. So this is a really great option and it looks so beautiful. Like this is perfect. If I needed some sort of console for somewhere, I feel like that would be a really great option.
All right, I hope you guys enjoyed those 10 furniture and home essentials. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.